Hello guys, bibili tayo ng flower para sa anak ko na nanganganak. Si Rian. Kasi papunta tayo ng hospital to see the baba. Yes, so many varieties of flower. Look at that. Mahal-mahal. Yan, ito na po ang new hospital dito guys. That's my bunso, Venice. Yan, beautiful. Yan, ito po yung new hospital dito sa amin. Yan, ito na, reveal na. Yan, look at her leg. So beautiful, Baba.
Can you talk my hand?
She's a girl. Just look at her, beautiful. Guys, please share this video, guys. And thank you for watching. Venice, thank you. Please share.